Greetings and salutations everybody. Welcome back to another Alex Does GIS tutorial. And in today's tutorial, we are keeping it super simple yet super useful. We are going to be looking at how to zoom, pan and scroll around your map in QGIS using the project menu toolbar. We are going to be keeping it obviously simple so that you can easily navigate around your data. So this video will be short and sweet. Let's get right into it. So basically where my mouse is at the moment is the project toolbar, and on the project toolbar there are different icons that relate to different actions. So for the sake of time and simplicity's sakes, I am going to show you the most basic ones that we tend to use in QGIS. Alright, so starting off with the first one, this is basically if you've been working on your project, this is the button you press to save your project. This little white hand over here is basically what you use to pan around in your map. So you can click the left button on your mouse and zoom around in your map. You can use your scroll wheel, pull it towards yourself to zoom out, and then push the scroll wheel towards the computer to zoom in. Then the next feature we have is basically what we just did is zoom in. And the shortcut for this is Control, Alt, and the plus icon. And basically what you can do is you can click it so that it's activated, and then left click your mouse to zoom in. To get back out, you take your scroll wheel and you pull it towards yourself. The same thing applies for the zoom out feature. Next we have the zoom full, which basically will zoom to the full extent of whatever feature we are busy working with. Then this little magnifying glass over here will zoom to the last instance of the zoom feature we used. So as you can see, the last one that I used was the zoom out feature. And then the same applies for the zoom next, which will zoom to the next zoom that I had before that. And then the second last thing I want to show you is basically select. And what this does is once you activate it, it will select whatever you have clicked. So as you can see over here, I've got South Africa because this is where I come from. I'm going to click on it and it's selected. So whatever raster calculations, or in this case shapefile calculations, I do on this will only apply to whatever feature I have selected. This is very important. So if you select this and you're working with a big data set, it will only perform features and compute values for whatever feature you've selected. So now what you can do to deselect this is simply click on deselect features from all layers. And yeah folks, that is it. That is how to navigate and explore the data around your QGIS map simply, and showing you the most basic key elements that you need to do so. Until the next video, have a wonderful day. See you in the next one. Cheers, bye.